Today I'm making an easy chicken garlic mac and cheese. First I have a boiling pot of water. I'm going to add this Italian 5-cheese mac and cheese and cook the pasta according to the directions. Once the pasta is done, I drained out the water and put the pasta back in the pot, and now I'm going to add the cheese that came with the pasta. Next I'm going to add this Boursin cheese and garlic and fine herb. Then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Mix that up until everything is combined. Then I put the pasta to the side. I'm going to make the topping, so in a bowl I have 8 crushed up Ritz crackers. Next add 1/4 cup of shredded parmesan cheese. Then add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix that up until combined. Next I have an 8-inch cake pan that's been greased. I'm going to add the mac and cheese to the pan and spread that out. Then I'm going to sprinkle the topping on top and then put this in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Once the mac and cheese was done, I served it up, and here's an up-close look.